Yeah, I'm talent manager here at Games Factory Talents. We are here organizing the IT and Games Shop Fair. This is the first time we are in Helsinki organizing the fair, and so far looking good. The companies, we have had 5 companies participating and a lot of applicants. There's been a lot of interviews, a lot of good feedback, so I'm very positive about this. The applicants mostly come from Russia. I think we reached about 60 to 70 participants coming to the event. At the moment we have mainly games companies, and for example Musician, that is not that game company, but they have a quite gamified app, and Musician has been with us in several other events as well, so they kind of know what we do, and they still want to join the events, which is also a good sign.
Yeah, we have really open and collaborative culture where everybody has a say on things we do.
In Finland, actually, the oral agreement is an agreement. So that is something that actually drills down to many other things. So people can discuss, and you can really trust people.
We are looking immediately to hire 3 to 5 developers.
Yes, more cool stuff coming. So this is our newest game, Blade Runner Nexus. It's in soft launch at the moment.
If you have the good attitude, you are passionate about your work, and you're motivated, and all these soft skills, and of course you need to have the good core competence in your own field of expertise, of course. I think people should definitely come to the job fairs, because even if you don't get a proper interview slots by any companies, you get to meet the representatives of the companies, you get to meet us. Working in a Finnish game industry, it's excellent. You know, you have supportive community around you. You have wonderful people here. You have so weird people that you just gotta love them. It's a second family.